Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to build a Kanban board in Airtable for 2025. The Kanban view helps you visualize your workflow, track progress, and manage projects easily. It lets you move task cards between columns to reflect each stage in real time. Start by opening your Airtable base. If you don't have one yet, create a new base and add fields like task name, status, assignee, and due date. Once you've added some sample records, open the View dropdown and select Kanban View from the available options. Airtable will ask which field to group by. Choose Status or another field that represents your workflow stages such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Your records will automatically appear as cards in columns based on their status, giving you a clear overview. You can drag and drop cards between columns to update progress instantly. Customize each card to display extra details like priority or deadline. For faster setup, you can use Start with AI and tell it to create a Kanban board for project or content tracking. And that's how you build a Kanban board in Airtable for 2025. It's a clean and visual way to manage tasks and projects for teams of any size. Try organizing your next project with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.